Alright, hey guys, Lucky from Busted Stud working on the Ford XLT. It's not a Lariat, I'm told, but it has 496,000 miles on it. Latest code's been throttle body related. The idle's been hunting around, running rough. Sometimes it's okay. We're going to change the whole throttle body unit. We've got an aftermarket one here. It's probably just the motor, but we're going to change it. I want to show you where it is real quick. Not too hard to get at. It's this guy right behind here. You got to disconnect this electrical connector, 4 8mm bolts, pull the boot off, just get access to it. First thing we're going to do is disconnect the battery. We're going to see how this job goes, so stick with us. Thanks. We're blowing the battery off, 10mm. We're just going to blow off the negative cable there, kill the power to this thing. I don't want to get my finger stuck inside the throttle body. It may do a relearn when I start it. We'll find out, but that's going to be step one. Next, we're going to go get this turbo tube off here for the air filter, 7mm. Knock it loose. Try not to break anything. I mean, this car's got high mileage on it, and some of the plastic's pretty brittle. All right, so we got to pull this little red clip back, little safety clip, and then you should be able to just push in on this thing. If you're lucky, they call me lucky sometimes. It comes right off. I'm gonna put that out of the way. Now we're just gonna pull off these 4 8mm bolts. There's a gasket in behind here. We got enough room to snake this thing out of here. We'll throw a new one in. All right, so we're just gonna break this loose. Double check the torque spec. Okay. And there'll be a gasket underneath it. Just come out easy. There's one down here. Got it. And one over here. Okay, moving the hose out of the way so I get with the ratchet. Come out real easy. There it is, right there. I can spin these out with my finger maybe. Hang tight. Stick with me. Come on, you're good. Get the hard ones out first. You don't have to drop them. Unless you want to go hunting for them. They're pretty tight there. Tight spot. Get it. Hang on a second. Stick with me. Just use an extension here to get my hand in there. Give a little something to work with. Perfect. Okay. We'll get a new one of those. Actually, I heard it hit the floor, so. Okay, that's number 2. Pull that out. These should come off easy, maybe. Maybe not. Okay, right there. One more. Just take some weight off of it. Okay, just about got it. Not bad. Pull one out. Okay, we dropped it, but it hit the floor. There's the backside, not very clean. And just note, there is a gasket on here. The new came with the new one, so we'll throw that on. We're just gonna repeat the procedure, reinstall it, and see what kind of shape we're in. So stick with us. All right, guys, just to show you, dirty valve body, 960,000 miles. No, 496,000 miles. There you go. New one. So hopefully we can get a couple more miles out of this thing. We're gonna throw it in and give it a shot. So, already thrown the new gasket in, so it's just a matter of repeating this procedure. We're gonna get the throttle body in there carefully, not disturb the gasket. Start the hardware. There. Grab another one. Right here. Okay, so off camera, I'll tighten these things down. I'm going to torque them down to the spec. And we'll put the battery back on, start it up, and see how it goes. So hang tight. All right, so here's the torque wrench I used. Get it in there, all set. And then I use 7mm, put the clamps back on. I'm gonna throw the wire on. Nice little click, push that clip in. All set, right there. Very good. Just snaps right in like that. It's not snapping in so good. Hang on, right, not there. Okay, give it one more try here. Nice push in there. That's going in nice right there. Oh yeah, right like that. There it is. So then we're gonna put this top tube back together and put the battery on and start up. So we'll see how successful we were. All right, here we go. 496,390 miles. Put the new unit in there. Well, that's pretty good. Right off the bat there, it's idling nice. Gonna give it a little gas. Pretty happy with that. So, I'd say this job is looking pretty good here. Didn't have any relearn or anything, so we'll call that a wrap. We're done working on this thing. Hopefully we can continue on till it hits 500,000 miles, and then we'll see what we have to work on next. Thanks for watching Busted Stud Garage. If you have any comments about this video, put them in the comments section. Have a great night. Thanks. Bye.